Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to scan with Motorola phones. So here is my Motorola G85 5G, but the method is the same also for other Motorola phones, and I want to scan some pages from this document. To do that you need to go to the camera app. And here swipe to the right and go to more and tap on scan. Now just put your phone over the document and wait. And the scan it's taken automatically. And if you want to add a new page, just tap here, add a page, and I will go on the back of this document, put your phone over the page, and here is the scan. Okay. Now, if you don't like it, you can tap on retake and do it again. Just wait. Okay. And also here in the top we have some options. We have the option to crop, and you can crop the document like this. And then just tap here confirm. Okay, and this is the crop. You can rotate it like this. And also you can add some filters, but for that you need to download Adobe Scan. And we have here the option to clean up and to mark up, but again you need to download Adobe Scan for that. Okay. And now when the scan is over, just tap save and finish, and the scan has been saved. The JPG is stored in gallery and the PDF is stored in files. Got it? And now let's exit, and I will go to photos, and here is the JPG file, and if you go to the files, here is the PDF file. Okay. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.